UE on a washer usually appears right before or during spin. It can feel like a major failure, but often it is a load balance issue. UE commonly means the drum load is not balanced enough for safe high-speed spin. That can happen with one heavy item, overloading, or poor machine leveling. Pause the cycle and redistribute the load. Avoid mixing one heavy item alone with very light pieces. Reduce load size if packed tight. Confirm the washer is level and stable on the floor. Then run, rinse and spin again. If UE repeats with normal loads and correct leveling, move to brand support for deeper diagnosis. Simple rule. UE usually starts with balance, not broken hardware. Rebalance, relevel, retest.